Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a divider in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called myApp. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page State. This is _My Home Page State class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget, upon which we will design other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget, and the title variable is used as the title of the app bar. The body attribute is set to the column widget. Inside the column widget, we have a text widget with some text. Then we have a divider widget. Here we set the height, color, and thickness of the divider. Then we again have a text widget with some text. Then we have another divider widget. At last, we have another text widget. So basically, we have 3 text widgets, with dividers in between them. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a divider in Flutter Android. Thank you.